You wanna know what's annoying? Is when you have soup straight out of the fridge and you have to get out the big pot, everything, and it's a whole production just to heat it up. Well, check this out. With the KitchenAid ProLine blender, you just pop open the lid. This is so rad. One of the many reasons I geek out over this thing. And you just take your cold soup, you add it right in, and then check this out. There's lots of settings on here, everything from cold beverages all the way to, check this out, hot soup. So for sauces, soups, right out of the fridge, and you just turn on function. Cool, and what's really, really rad is A, you've got the thermal control jar, which means you're not feeling any hot. I can grip this. And second, it cuts off by itself, so you don't even have to sit around and wait for it. Check this out. I'm gonna open this up. You can just see for yourself. What? Steaming hot, you can smell everything. It's absolutely delicious. Look at this, hot soup, no pot to clean, nothing. Just the KitchenAid ProLine blender. Maybe a little sprig of sage, why not? And for more tips, tricks, and hacks, head to KitchenAid.com/scraps right now.